Wagwan people, welcome back from the weekend. I hope you guys have recovered. I hope you guys were safe. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself to the maximum. Zin, now we're going to have the champion this week. So I hope you guys find the strength and the courage that you found over the weekend to champion the week that is coming. Yeah? Guys, we are back with MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment, where we give you everything in lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana. And of course, around the world. And our top stories today are Shatta Wale and Arnold trend on social media. I saw it. Hey, yeah. Issa Rae set to join the Spider-Verse. And my name is Kevoy B. You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Twitter. You can follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Kevoy B, Kevoy B. Zane, now let's get into our stories, guys. So let's start the week with new music alert. Musician Akwaboah has just dropped a new track entitled Nsesa. Hey! He's releasing tracks ahead of his anticipated album, Lighthouse. And we've got the song right here, so let's start the day with that. I'm pretty sure I've seen these visuals for a series. I'm pretty sure I saw it. I think it's Gene Adu that's made a series like this. And I saw these visuals and I was like, this is nice. This is nice. Hey, Nsesa, Akwaboah, big up yourself, you know what I mean? Now, this weekend, both Shatta Wale and journalist Arnold Asamoah-Baidoo have been trending all weekend because of a show. Now, Shatta Wale was invited to a talk show, and for the beginning, you know, everything was going fine and according to plans. However, one of the journalists, Arnold, made a comment in which he said that Shatta Wale's State of the Nation address carried some contradicting statements. Now, he shared that he didn't feel as though what Shatta Wale had said was beneficial at all. Now, Shatta Wale, of course, quickly took offense to that, and the scene erupted. Yoy. Both of them started throwing remarks back and forth, and it made for a very lively show. Hey, listen, I saw it on social media all weekend this week. I see people defending Arnold. I see people defending Shatta Wale. Now, fans quickly jumped on social media to pick sides and agree with someone, like I said. Have you guys been following? What are your thoughts? And we've got a clip of it, so let's watch it. I don't understand. I don't understand. Somebody please translate. Hey guys, you know what was funny to me? That guy who got up in the middle of it, in the middle of the argument and just drank some juice. Like he just poured some juice casually and just drank it. He didn't care. That's the guy. Be like that guy, guys. Be like that guy. Now, Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse was a hit the moment it came out, and now they are bringing us the sequel. With the return of Miles Morales and Spider-Gwen, played by Shamik Moore and Haley Steinfeld respectively, Issa Rae has just been announced as the new Spider-Woman. Oh, yay! Now, Issa shared that she's always been a fan of Marvel, and being a part of it is a great honor. Now, the sequel is slated for October 22, 2022. The sequel is slated for October 2022, guys. So we've still got a year and some to wait before we get more updates. Hey, listen, why did you announce it like this? You announced it in what? This is what? June 2021? And you're going to tell us that next year, October 2022? Listen, announce the thing June 2022 and tell us that it's coming in October so we don't have to, you know, spike ourselves so long. You understand? But anyways, guys, I'm looking forward to seeing that show. Now, celebrity boxing seems to be the new thing nowadays. Now, with boxers fighting YouTubers and UFC champions taking on basketball players, the sport has become more so a game. Sounds like literally a game. Now, the most recent fight was between ex-NBA star Lamar Odom and musician Aaron Carter. Aaron Carter! I haven't seen that guy in decades. Now, as if the height and weight difference between the two wasn't already obvious, their celebrity boxing match was capped at 6 rounds. The match cost viewers $30 USD to watch on a pay-per-view basis. During the third round, Odom won by a technical knockout. That's very funny. A lot of fans were not impressed, feeling robbed that the match didn't seem to have any real competition and that it ended so soon. Guys, come on, it's a basketball player and a musician. Why do you think they were going to box for 8 rounds with serious boxing? Come on now, guys. Come on now. Come on now. We're tricking ourselves. Now, then again, I wonder what else could have happened. Yeah, see? Guys, listen. These are all just jokes. This is for money. This is all for making money. If you don't want to watch it, just don't watch it. You understand? But guys, that's all that we have for you today. But don't worry, we come back next week. Hey, big up Ziggy one time. You know what I mean? We come back tomorrow with more MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment, guys. For now, my name is Kev Boy. This is MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment. Lick more, big up yourself.